In short, yes, but we can do better. Let me show you what we're doing. At Miral, our commitment to sustainability drives everything we do, but we recognize there's always more we can achieve. As leaders in the leisure, entertainment, and tourism industry, we're always conscious of sustainable practices as we develop, operate, and shape projects for the future. We've implemented some great initiatives like reducing our carbon footprint and using solar energy, adding EV charging stations and water-saving initiatives. But we're aiming for even more. And what if I told you that we're working with one of nature's smallest and busiest workers? More on that later. For instance, here at Warner Brothers World Yas Island, Abu Dhabi, we've installed solar panels that help reduce electricity consumption by 64%. That's equivalent to approximately powering 2,000 homes. Here at the Hilton Abu Dhabi Yas Island, they've installed the Winnow AI system to monitor food waste. This has resulted in a 20% reduction, which is equivalent to 15,000 meals. The bees here produce over 90 kilograms of honey. That's equivalent to almost 360 honey jars per harvest. Sustainability is more than just figures. It's also taking care of the species that we share our beautiful planet with.
In collaboration with our partners and the Yas SeaWorld Research and Rescue Center, we've managed to rehabilitate 10 greater flamingos and many sea turtles, among other local species.
So yes, we are sustainable, but we know we can do better. And we're committed to making that happen because we are willing to enact change.